Hello everyone, today we have a review of the JetFun 2, a compact and powerful air blower. Is it really that good, or is it not worth the money? We'll cover all the pros and cons and share the experience of using this blower. So it comes in a fairly compact box. Everything is good enough. This is already the second generation, and the difference is that it comes with two nozzles and an enlarged battery capacity. Let me remind you, the battery capacity here is stated as 1100 milliamps per hour, which is quite a lot. It's also indicated that there is a low noise level, a large battery, and a strong airflow. Let's talk about that now. Let's unpack and see what we have in the kit. Here we have an instruction manual and another attachment with a narrow nozzle. And the blower itself looks like this. It comes in 4 colors. I chose blue, which is quite classic. It also comes in black, green, and red. Besides that, we have a large nozzle, a USB Type-C cable for charging, and that's basically the entire set. Regarding charging, it comes with a standard USB Type-C cable. You can charge it from a computer or a regular outlet if you have a Type-C adapter. The charging speed is stated to be around 3.5 hours, which is quite reasonable. At the same time, the operating time at minimum speed is up to 4.5 hours, while at maximum speed it will last less. But we'll discuss that later. Now, about the 2 nozzles that come in the set. The large nozzle is suitable for creating a strong airflow, while the small one is good for blowing out dust from narrow cracks. The blower itself is compact and well built. There is no USB-C charging port, which could be considered a downside. The power button also serves as an indicator of the charge level, lighting up either green or red during charging. The speed can be adjusted by holding the power button. On maximum speed, the airflow is very strong, while on minimum speed, it's quite weak. By pressing the button once, you can turn off the blower, but the indicator will remain on, showing that it's still powered. A long press completely turns off the device. The blower is compact and quiet, yet has a strong airflow. What is this thing really needed for? It's perfect for blowing out dust, cleaning radiators, keyboards, and other hard-to-reach places. With the narrow nozzle, the airflow decreases, but it becomes more precise for smaller areas. The larger nozzle is great for situations where you need a stronger airflow. You can also use it for inflating things like a mattress. I used it to inflate my mattress on the balcony, and it worked perfectly. Besides that, it's great for stoking a fire, for example when you're grilling or making barbecue. It's also great for drying your car, especially if it has hydrophobic coating. However, it won't replace a full-size blower, but it will blow water out of cracks and handle light snow very well. It's also handy for blowing out a thin layer of snow from your car, but if the snow is wet and heavy, it might struggle. Regarding the use of the blower, at minimum speed, it's mostly suitable for blowing out dust from narrow cracks where you don't want much dust flying around. Like when cleaning a computer. On that note, if you're cleaning a computer, it's better to use a vacuum cleaner to immediately collect the dust. Be careful using this blower indoors as dust will scatter everywhere. At maximum speed, it's much more powerful and can be used to blow water or snow out of cracks. However, in this mode, the battery lasts only 10 to 20 minutes. There's no magic here. The compact size limits the battery capacity, especially in colder conditions where the charge can drain faster. A downside is that there's no detailed indicator of the battery charge, so it might run out unexpectedly. Another con is that dust and snow can easily clog the air intake, so you'll need to clean it regularly. This is especially important when cleaning snow, as the suction hole can get blocked quite quickly. In conclusion, whether this blower is worth the $89 depends on your needs. For me, it's been great for cleaning my computer, blowing out water from cracks, stoking fire, and dealing with light snow. However, if it cost around $60, it would be a much more optimal price. It's not powerful enough for large tasks like clearing a car of heavy snow, but for smaller jobs, it's a handy, compact option. Thanks everyone for watching, good luck, and bye.